Hi there, this is Ron, and are you looking for a way to manage your team knowledge, streamline workflows, and collaborate very efficiently all in one place? Welcome to Capacities, the ultimate all in one platform designed to help team organize their thought, task projects, and optimize productivity. Whether you're managing small projects or overseeing large scale initiatives, Capacities provide all the tools you need to stay organized, streamline workflows, and boost collaboration. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through each part, every part. Right now, let's go to Google and search for capacities. Click on this first link here. Before moving forward, let's go and check out the pricing here. So it provides a three plan. Depending upon your country, the price may vary. Now here, the first one is a completely free, right? All these basic features. Now, as the features get add on, obviously they are going to charge, right? Now monthly is slightly expensive as compared to yearly. Now let's just go and click on register here. Okay, so you have to just enter your email. So I will just enter my email here. Now your password. Click on verify you as a human and click on register. By the way, if you're facing the same issue, if you're not able to create an account, it means if you're using a normal email address, they are not going to accept it. So make sure you use a working email. Now here I will select my language and click on next here. Now just go and click on next. They're giving some features, right? So I'll just write here my name, right? And here you can just write here your last name and click on next, right? Now these are the features which they are showing, I mean just in normal glimpse here, but obviously once we just go and click once we go and talk about and discuss about in deep, I will show you each and everything here. Make sure you verify your email, and this is the exact dashboard which you are going to find it, right? So for those who don't know what does capacities is an all-in-one platform designed to help team organize, automate, and track projects very efficiently. Now what does this mean and what does they offer? They offer knowledge management, task tracking, custom views, automation, collaboration tool, and there's a lot of things, right? Now to get started, I think it's really easy to set up account here. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into creating pages to track tasks here. So on the left side, you can see there's not a lot of option here. So let's just go and click on new content, and here you will find this option of page. So this is page. If you are using Notion or if you're familiar how to use Word doc, then this is very similar. You can just write here title. Just for example, I will paste the entire title of this video and few scripts here, right? And you can just add a lot of stuff. So once I press enter here, you can see if I just go and click on press icon, right? I can insert. If I just press slash, and here you can see I can just do a lot of small changes which I won't write, right? So this is really easy, and you can just tag anybody in your team. If I just go and press on add, then here you will find a lot more option. For example, let's say I want to insert a table. Now the table could be something else, right? For example, I can just click on create and I can create a table here, right? So this is really interesting. Now here, if I can just go and click on plus icon, I can create in this way. I can add a text and simply automatically it will just get insert, right? So this is really easy, right? And this is very easy to do, and I hope you got and understood. Here you can add columns for task details like title, assignee, due date, and there's a lot of stuff, right? And so use filters to view tasks by status or assignees or sort by due date. So one of the capacity standout feature is that ability to visualize data in multiple ways. Now you can switch it, right? So if I just go and click on new here, and here you can find there's a lot more option, right? I can just go and upload images, and I can just write upon it. So for example, this is image, I can just drag it here, add a link, or I can even search it from the unsplash. And same way, I can just put an image and title, everything here, right? Description, and I can just write a complete script regarding whatever I just want to create. Now this is just an example, right? Same goes, you can see here another feature which is called tweet. You can just enter the Twitter URL. Now let's say I will just add a URL here. Let's go to the tweet option here, or I can just go and click on new tweet, and this is a URL of Elon Musk. So I can just go and paste here, and you can see it has added that tweet, and I can add a title. I can just write all this information, right? So very much useful here. I can same goes for audios and PDFs and files, and I can navigate between all this stuff here, and I can just check and make all this mentions, right? So pretty easy thing to do. Capacities also offers powerful automation tool to streamline repetitive tasks. For example, you can create buttons, use formula, integrate apps, and automation updates. And there's a lot more. So let me show you up. So if I just go and click on this plus icon beside object, here you can find it, right? So for example, let's go and select your meeting. I can use a template. The template is already made. I can just go and click on it and I can use it, right? So this is how it happens, and you can just go and click on new type and you can scroll down. You can find a lot more option, which is a pre-built, and you can use this template for your use case. And you can also collaborate with your team. You can invite people, you can invite your team member employees into here. So let's go and click on this account icon or settings gear icon, and here this is account. You can change all these options, right? And there's an editor option. You can change the password and everything. So you can just invite them by sending this invitation link. And by the way, there's a web extension, so you can use it over any web browser which you find easy to do. This is it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.